Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The Chubby Chick. This is Poonam. So today I'm gonna be making a very popular and a very famous coffee, Dalgona coffee. But with a twist, I'm not gonna be using any dairy or any sugar. Instead, I will use almond milk and jaggery powder. It is healthy, nutritious and so yummy. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Without any further ado, let's get cooking.
So firstly, in a bowl, I'm taking 3 teaspoons of jaggery powder, also called as gudka powder, 3 teaspoons of instant coffee, any coffee you can use, and 3 teaspoons of water. Now, by using an electric hand blender, whisk it really well. इसको अच्छी तरह से फेंटना है. Hand whisker also you can use it over here. After 5 minutes, this is the progress, guys. You have to keep on whisking it really well, so that you obtain such creamy texture till you achieve this creamy texture. Keep on whisking it really well. Whisk until you achieve a creamy texture. फेंटते रहो इसको. See, this is what we are looking. The regular sugar will give you a much better texture, but since we are looking at the healthier side, this should be okay. I've taken a glass over here and I'm adding about 200 ml of almond milk. This milk I've made it at home. You can also use regular milk if you want. Also add some ice cubes into it to make it more chilly. Now I will add the coffee foam which I have made nicely, spoon by spoon, and spread it properly. Sprinkling some cinnamon powder, also called as Dalchini powder, on top because I love it in my coffee. You can skip this. Ta-da! It's ready. So without cinnamon or with cinnamon, it tastes absolutely delicious. And stir it well before having it.
I hope you guys like my healthier version of Dalgona coffee. Please let me know in the comments below what you think about it. Also, please do not forget to tag me on Instagram. Here is my Instagram handle. Check out other healthy recipes on my channel. I'll link it up here. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, The Chubby Chick. Till then, keep smiling, stay safe, stay healthy.